Okay, quick question. What if you woke up tomorrow and the moon was just gone? No explosion, no warning, no moon's farewell tour on the news. Just poof, gone. Sounds like a sci-fi movie plot, right? Well, buckle up. Because what would actually happen is way weirder and way more terrifying than you think. Let's start with the obvious one, the oceans. You know how the tides go in and out? That's basically the moon playing tug of war with our seawater using gravity. No moon, no tug of war. The tides wouldn't disappear completely. The sun still pulls a little, but they'd shrink down to like a third of what they are now. Boring, right? Wrong. Because entire ecosystems depend on those tides. Crabs, clams, tiny fish, seaweed, they all live their whole lives around that rhythmic push and pull. Kill the tides, and you basically kill the alarm clock for millions of species. It's like canceling breakfast for the entire ocean. But okay, that's the ocean's problem. What about us on land? Here's where it gets spicy. The moon isn't just a pretty light in the sky, it's basically Earth's babysitter. It stabilizes our planet's tilt. Right now, Earth leans at about 23.5 degrees, and that's why we have seasons. Without the moon holding us steady, scientists think our tilt could wobble wildly over thousands of years, sometimes barely leaning at all, sometimes tipping over like a drunk toddler. That means seasons could go haywire. Imagine summer in July, and then also kind of summer in December. Meteorologists would just quit. Speaking of chaos, remember how nights get darker at certain phases and brighter during a full moon? Without the moon, every single night would be pitch black. No romantic moonlit walks, no werewolves, honestly, which, fair trade? But also, a lot of nocturnal animals use moonlight to hunt, migrate, or navigate. Sea turtles use moonlight reflecting off the ocean to find their way back to sea after hatching. Without it, baby turtles would basically be wandering around going, and which way is water again? Now here's a fun one. Earth's days would get shorter. Wait, what? Yeah! The moon's gravity has been slowing our rotation down for billions of years like a gentle brake pedal. That's actually why days used to be way shorter, like 6 hours short, back when Earth was young. Take away the moon, and Earth would spin faster again over time. So future humans might live in a world with, say, 18-hour days, which honestly sounds great until you realize your Monday would come back around twice as fast. Oh, and let's not forget solar eclipses. Gone. Forever. No more people gathering in random parking lots wearing cardboard glasses, staring at the sky like the sun personally offended them. Kind of sad, honestly. But here's the real kicker. The scariest part isn't really any single effect. It's how connected everything is. The tides, the tilt, the seasons, the ecosystems, even our biological rhythms. Evolution built human civilization around a stable moon-Earth relationship. Pull that one piece out, and it's less like flipping a light switch, and more like pulling the bottom block out of a Jenga tower that's been stacking for 4 billion years. So, no, the moon disappearing wouldn't be some peaceful, quiet night. It would slowly unravel the rhythm of practically everything alive on this planet. Which honestly makes you look at the moon a little differently tonight, doesn't it? That quiet little rock up there isn't just decoration. It's basically been running the show this whole time. So next time you glance up at it, maybe give it a little nod of respect. It's doing a lot more work than it gets credit for.